The 4800 PSI Electric Pressure Washer boasts a robust 1800-watt motor delivering superior cleaning power with a maximum of 4800 PSI and a water flow rate of 3.2 gallons per minute. Equipped with a 25-foot high-pressure hose and an onboard hose reel, this pressure washer ensures convenience and prevents hose kinks for hassle-free operation. It comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles, providing versatile cleaning options from super high pressure for stubborn grime to low pressure for delicate surfaces. The automatic total stop system enhances safety by shutting off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, thereby conserving energy and extending the pump's lifespan. This electric pressure washer is ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks, such as washing cars, patios, and more, offering efficient and thorough cleaning results. With reliable customer support and a warranty, users can feel confident in their purchase and receive timely assistance if any issues arise.